Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be doing good. I am also good by the grace of God. So guys, before jump into the video, let me tell you something about myself. My name is Wasim. I am from Pakistan, but currently I am living in Dubai to earn bread and butter for my family. So guys, when it comes to speaking, I have start speaking from the scratch guys, as you know every beginner does. I am also a beginner and I'm just trying to be fluent in this language. Why I am trying to be fluent guys? Because you know speaking English is the necessity of our time. It is very important to become fluent in this age and time in English. Here guys, I am right in front of the mirror. I am combing my hair guys. Just have a look guys. I am parting my hair left to right. When you part your hair, this is called parting guys. I am parting my hair left to right, and you know instead of parting left to right, if I just make them straighten like this and I part them from this side, I can say that I am parting my hair right to left. But you know I am habitual to part my hair left to right. Here guys, just have a look. I am parting my hair left to right. Here guys, done, all set. So guys, right now I am on the break. I have 1 hour break, and during that 1 hour I have to offer the prayer, and this is for our lunch break, and offer the prayer whatever our necessities could be, we can fulfill during this 1 hour. But you know, instead of doing something else, instead of taking rest, although I am not feeling well, I am little under the weather guys. I have fever, sore throat, you know, and body pain. Along with that, I am feeling very weak. But you know, this is also very important, because during the night hours I can record the video, but that time I cannot record the video with this much clarity. So right now I have time to record the video guys, no matter I am feeling well or no. This will keep continuing, this will keep happening. But you know, to improve myself, to do something better for myself, this is the opportunity guys. If I miss one day, then tomorrow definitely, you know, our body is habitual of procrastination. Tomorrow I will say that okay, if I cannot, yesterday I did not do it, tomorrow again I will not do it. So just because of that guys, just before I have made an ablution guys, right at the beginning, right just now, I have to offer the prayer, and after that I will be recording the video. But before that guys, just have a look on the weather guys. It is sunny, shiny, sun is shining, and you know, gentle breeze is blowing. So guys, let me just offer the prayer. After that I will record the rest of video, and for that I have to spread the prayer mat here on the rooftop. This is the very place on that I am going to offer the prayer, because as you can see, like, weather is sunny, shiny, but it is not hot. It is appropriate weather. It is okay weather to, you know, sit in front of the sunlight. So that's what, you know, I came here on the rooftop to offer the prayer. Alhamdulillah guys, I have offered the prayer. Now what else I have to do guys? I have only few minutes. So in those few minutes I just, you know, need to make them useful for myself. Actually I want to talk about my health right now. It is not like that I am telling you a story. It is, you know, something like based on the reality guys. Like everyone face the same situation. When you get sick, or you know, sickness fall on you, at that time, you know, if you have to describe that, how is my condition, what is my condition, so you know, that time it's become little tough to describe for us. So you know, just for the learning purpose guys, I will be you know, describing my condition right now. If I tell you truth guys, as you can see that I am sweating, as you can see that I am sweating guys. It's just because like weather is not that hot, but I am, you know, my internal body condition is not well. I have fever, and you know, when you have fever, that time like you feel weak, and along with that I have mild headache guys, and I have sore throat also. And you know, all these symptoms, when they get together, at that time your body become weaker and weaker day by day. I am little under the weather, as I told you before. But you know what happened? I made a blunder, guys. I need to use what make here, not did. Most of the time I have to use did, but you know, later on I came to know that instead of using did, I can use make, because make is the proper word for this make a blunder, not did a blunder, guys. I came to know about this one, about this word, and right after that, you know, I am using the same word. So guys, last week I make a blunder. I was about to be cured, but what happened, guys? You know, when I visited the doctor at that time, doctor suggested me that not to have this food along with medicine. He said to me that you have to refrain yourself from this food, you have to abstain from this food. So I said okay that time, because I was feeling ill, I was not okay that time. I said okay, everything is okay, whatever doctor is saying, that is quite true. I have to, you know, stop myself eating that food which doctor is suggesting me not to have. But later on, guys, you know, I was taking the medicine simultaneously, and you know, then what happened, after 2 to 3 days later, I have eaten that food which doctor already stopped me that not to have. Then the effect of that food, what happened, that I have eaten the food night time, and in the morning time I was feeling that I am again under the weather, I am again sick. My body was you know, feeling very weak. But you know, don't cry over the spill milk, don't cry over the spill bean, because I already made a mistake. So it is useless to cry over you know, what happens in your past. So instead of crying over that thing, I started thinking that what can I do now. Then again I started taking the prescription of doctor, you know, like regularly, and I have stopped eating that avoided food. But what to do, guys? That mistake I already made, and I am suffering right now, guys. It's been almost a week. I am still under the weather. I did not feel well, you know. I am like headache and body pain, something like that. But no problem, guys. I will get cure inshallah, because you know, this thing is all so written in our destiny. How many days we have to how many days we have to suffer, how many days we have to be happy, how many days, everything is written in our destiny. So no worries about that, guys. So guys, you know, like when I am recording this video, if I tell you truth, guys, I am suffering a lot, guys. I am struggling. Why I am struggling, guys? If I tell you truth, that English is not our mother language, this is not our mother tongue. So just because of that, guys, we have to struggle. Most of the time I don't know exact word, because you know, vlog cannot be scripted. Right now I'm recording the video, I'm making the vlog, I am nowhere sitting in the room, study room or somewhere. I don't have anything, because as I said to you that I am on the break, I am recording the video. So guys, just because of that, I can say that you know, record cannot be scripted, vlog cannot be scripted, guys. I am just recording the vlog. So guys, just because of that, you know, I have to talk according to the situation. And sometimes, you know, as a beginner, as a, you know, like as I started from the scratch, I can say that it is really tough for me. It is like, you know, quite tough for me to find the exact word according to the situation. And most of the time, you know, I just struggle to you know, make the sentences. Sometimes it's happened that I keep making the sentence into my mind, but when it comes to speak, at that time I forget, because I am a beginner, guys. I have to struggle, I have to walk extra mile, I have to burn the midnight oil. After that I will be able to reach somewhere. But till that time, till that point, guys, I have to struggle, I have to bring myself out in front of the camera as I am doing, guys. If I can do, why you cannot do, guys? Just come out if you feel like, you know, if you feel like becoming fluent in this language, then don't need to wait for anyone, guys. Don't need to watch a lot of videos, even though you can be fluent after watching the video. But until or unless you speak out, you cannot be. You have to speak out. After that, guys, you will be able to speak in front of the people. We face a lot of problem when we go somewhere, you know, at that time when someone asks us questions or say in English, so that time we get stuck, we become blank, you know, we get agitated. because the person who is asking the question, he is very good at English, but we cannot speak at that time. We feel embarrassment, guys. So just to avoid that embarrassment, just to avoid those embarrassing moment, we can practice, guys. Just practice alone, and then you can shine in front of the people. Right now I am doing the same, guys. Instead of wasting the time, instead of doing this and that, I have just opened my mobile camera and started recording the video, because I know that this thing only will help me to become fluent in this language. Otherwise, if I keep thinking, if I just keep listening, nothing will happen, guys. By listening I can also learn a lot of things, but when it comes to speaking, guys, we get stuck. So I don't want to be stuck somewhere. Just because of that, guys, I am recording the video. I have taken this challenge, and today is the day fourth, I think this is the fourth video I am recording in front of the camera. And I have to enhance myself. I have to polish my communication level. You can also do the same thing, guys. I am a beginner. I cannot say that I have I am much educated. No, guys, it is not like that, guys. We have to struggle. Definitely, when you have to struggle, just do it lonely, guys. Do it alone, so that nobody can see it, so that when you rise, everyone will see you, guys. So, guys, for today I am going to end up this video here, because it is time for me to go on the duty. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.